Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC Earbuds, delivering rich, detailed sound with powerful adaptive noise cancellation. With clear call quality and a secure, comfortable fit, they're perfect for everyday listening. Plus, long battery life, fast charging, and smart features make them ideal for all-day use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC Earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. Reduces up to 98.5% of outside noise with adaptive ANC 2.0, automatically adjusting to your surroundings for a quieter listening experience. It intelligently detects changes in your environment, such as traffic, crowd noise, or indoor sounds, and optimizes noise cancellation in real time. This helps you stay fully focused on your music, calls, or videos without distractions. Features 11mm custom-tuned drivers and LDAC support for crisp highs, detailed mids, and deep, punchy bass. The larger drivers help deliver a richer and more dynamic sound profile across all frequencies. Whether you're listening to vocals, instruments, or bass-heavy tracks, everything sounds clearer and more immersive. Equipped with 6 AI-powered microphones that reduce background noise and keep your voice clear during calls, even in busy environments. The system focuses on isolating your voice while filtering out unwanted sounds like wind, traffic, or crowd noise. This ensures smooth and natural conversations, whether you're indoors or outdoors. Enjoy up to 10 hours on a single charge and up to 50 hours with the charging case, plus quick charging for hours of playback in minutes. This long-lasting battery makes the earbuds suitable for full-day use without worrying about frequent recharging. Even short charging sessions can quickly give you enough power for commuting or workouts. It's designed for users who are always on the move. Technical specifications. How to wear. Begin by selecting the silicone ear tips that best fit your ears. The earbuds come with multiple sizes, so you can pick the one that offers the most comfortable and secure fit. A proper seal not only enhances comfort, but also improves sound quality, giving you deeper bass and clearer audio. It also helps block outside noise naturally, so you can enjoy your music or calls without distractions. Gently place the left, L, and right R earbuds into your respective ears. Make sure the markings match each ear to ensure proper stereo sound. If necessary, twist the earbuds slightly while inserting so that the tips sit securely in your ear canal. This ensures the earbuds stay in place during daily activities, workouts, or commuting. Once in place, check that the earbuds feel stable but not too tight. The main body should rest comfortably in the outer ear, while the tip lightly seals the ear canal. You can make small adjustments by rotating or shifting the earbuds slightly until they feel snug and secure. This will prevent slipping and provide the best sound experience. How to pair? Start by downloading the Soundcore app from the App Store or Google Play. This app unlocks extra features like EQ presets, touch control customization, and additional settings to personalize your listening experience with the Soundcore wireless earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the charging case, and they will automatically enter pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for your device in the available devices list, and select it to connect. The earbuds will then be successfully linked to your device. Once connected, open the app to confirm pairing if prompted. From there, you can adjust sound settings, choose EQ presets, and customize touch controls based on your preference. After setup, your earbuds are fully ready for music, calls, and everyday use. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. The charging case supports Qi wireless charging. Simply place the back of the case, where the wireless charging contact is located, onto a compatible charging pad. Make sure the case is properly aligned with the center of the pad to ensure efficient charging. The LED indicator will turn on to confirm charging, and you can leave it on the pad until fully charged for convenient cable-free use. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.